Guys, I'm back. Organized Mom here. Hi, guys. I'm back. Organized Mom here. And I wanted to start off by saying I missed you guys a lot. And the reason I haven't been on lately is because the past year I needed some time to kind of prioritize some stuff. And um, I kind of was going through some hard stuff. 5 people that I know in the past year have passed away, and I just wanted to keep this channel very positive and happy. So I wanted to make sure I was in the right mindset to do a video for you guys. And so I'm back, and I wanted to start off with doing a Dollar Tree haul. And I got this stuff about a week ago and I wanted to try everything out before I told you how I felt about the stuff. And the first thing I got were these 2 pairs of sunglasses. And I really like their sunglasses. They are better than any of the um, cheap sunglasses you can get anywhere else. They're actually polarized and they are great. I got this black pair and then this tortoise pair. Now, the next thing I got was in the food and drink section. And first thing is these iced coffees. They have 2 different flavors at my Dollar Tree. They have the mocha and the caramel. I love the caramel. It is best if you pour it over ice. Um, yeah, definitely one of my favorites. Another thing that I get from there that I like is this strawberry banana drink nectar. It is very good. They also have mango and guava at my Dollar Tree as well. Then the next thing I got was this microfiber hair wrap. Now, I used it once and it didn't fit my head at all. It was too small. And I have more of a smaller childlike size head. So I was very surprised that it was too small for me. The only thing I did like, it was really cute print. But besides that, it did not do any good because it didn't fit my head. Now, the next things I got was these shampoo and conditioners. Now, I'm very iffy about using off-brand shampoo and conditioner, but I got this to try because I was told by a friend that it works really well. And it's Pro Sleek Salon, and they had 2 different kinds. I got the Moroccan oil and coconut oil, but they also had a shea butter and coconut oil as well. And I am absolutely pleased with this product. For $1.25, it's as good as name brand products to me. And then the last thing I got was this body wash. It's from Dragonfly Bath and Body, and it's without sulfates, dyes, or parabens. And I have very irritated skin sometimes when I use certain soaps. So I got this to try, and the scent is pink lemonade, and it smells so good. Smells like summer. I've not had any bad reactions to it, so I definitely do recommend this. So, like I said,